the carbon fiber. Look at those seats. Oh my God. UTR? On the Mickeys? You know he's cooking. Look at this Lambo. It's so clean. I know. Wide body. Sheesh. So clean. 4G. The line. Diamond Auto Sport. Titanium exhaust. Isn't titanium so cool? It turns that color after it gets hot. The gap stick on the back. Wide body Hellcat. Dark horse. Super clean. Super clean. Classic. Yep.
Alright, y'all. I'd like to welcome y'all to today's event. We are going to have a raffle today, so you can get your raffle
Right-hand
ticket
drive.
at the blue table. And we'll do that raffle a little later. You have to be present to win. So again, if you want to enter a raffle, go check out that blue table and get entered in.
Wide body. Freaking nice. Yeah. just a Chrysler 300 with a Hellcat swap. That's crazy. Chrysler 300 Hellcat. You got like a young Dolph wrap on it too. This is actually crazy. All white. Sorry. You're drinking, right? I like this green. I like this green a lot. Alright, we're at that point in the meet where people are starting to leave, so we might need to get some recordings of people pulling off because, you know, you never know what might happen. The cherry blossoms? Come on, you know that's my favorite camo on Call of Duty. Yeah, this thing is cool. A little banner across the windshield. The wipers are pink, she says. They sure are. The Mitsubishi badge.
Had it delivered to your house.
This blue one is so sick. Dark Horse, code blue, with the Dark Horse badge. Yeah, you see one of those. Testarossa. Cool hit on this thing. That is freaking sick. Got the mirrors on the fenders. Love this thing. Z06 on some meats. Oh, okay. Got the A&A set up on there. BTR intake. MR2. I like the color on this one. It's like highlighter. You hate it? How could you? I love it. And we got a GTR right next to it.
You blocked. What'd you do?
I really like this. Yeah, I don't care what you say. I love it. Ah, that is sweet too. Yeah, that's not the A86. Come on now. You know Initial D started me. So quiet. This is sweet. On the 4Gs. loco. So silly.
Ah, okay, okay.
Beautiful M4. The Lotus. With the carbon fiber wing. Bike life. GT 500. Wrong answer. Is A or B? C is not an acceptable answer. I'll take the red one over the blue one, honestly. Look at that. Please be patient. Student driver. He has a student driver sticker on it. Or the white one. There's a white one right here. I think the white one's the coolest. Autocross built. Okay, the Corvos. Oh, it's a 400ZX. Brand new. Alright, I think it's time to leave because the Mustangs are leaving. So we gotta catch them leaving because they might do Mustang things. You know? The neutral drop is crazy.